Guys, this is Abhishek and welcome to AI with Abhishek. Today I'm going to tell you how you can remove watermark from any stock image which you download from internet, and that too for free using AI. So we have two images here. One of them is this one, you can see, and the other one is this one. Both of these images are downloaded from internet and they have different kind of watermark, and we have two free tools with which you can do that. The first tool here is called watermarkremover.io. The second one is from AIAs. This also removes the watermark from an image. So link to both of these tools is there in the description. First of all, let's see whether these tools actually work. So first of all, I will use this tool, and you can see I have uploaded this image. Just to make sure that I do it in front of you, let me just refresh this and upload this image again. As you can see, this image actually has the watermark. Let me upload it, and it will take few seconds before it can remove the watermark, and you can download the image without the watermark for free, and it is using AI to do this. It does take some time. It is free. Let's try another tool as well by that time, and over here let us upload this photo which even has more watermark images, and over here this photo has been uploaded. Now let me remove the watermark. Here the result has came out. As you can see, the image is perfect over there on the right hand side, and I can download this image as well for free, and the image is downloaded. So watermark is removed on this one. Let's take a look over this one, and on this one as well the watermark has been removed. It has not done a perfect job, but still it is good enough, and you can use this image. So this is all. Thanks for watching. Follow for more.